Are you okay, babe? Karen, are you joking or what? I'm sitting down, I want something to eat, and
Oh my god. Did you?
What's wrong with you? I said, I want four.
Oh my god.
How much you want? That should be enough.
Baby, you missed the plate.
Here you go. Parmesan cheese.
But it had to be hit the floor. Yeah, let me get Parmesan. All right, damn.